Hello friends, I'm Shahjalal, a supply chain specialist. Today we will learn on the topics number 1 correspondent banking, number 2 respondent banking, number 3 nested correspondent banking, number 4 why do banks establish the correspondent banking relationship, number 5 Nostro account, number 6 VOSTRO account, number 7 LORO account. In this video, we will learn on the said international banking terms with examples. Please stay connected to end of the video to get clear idea. The term correspondent bank refers to a financial institution that acts on behalf of other financial institutions in foreign countries. The banks use the services of correspondent banks when they have less number of branches in foreign country or no branches at all. For correspondent banking relationship, two banks in different countries are tied up by a bilateral agreement. One bank is called as correspondent bank and another as respondent bank. The bank that provides services on behalf of another bank in a foreign country called as correspondent bank, and the bank that takes services from another bank in a foreign country called as respondent bank. Another concept is nested correspondent banking. What is meant by nested correspondent banking? When a bank uses a correspondent account of another bank in own country making a transaction in a foreign country, it's called nested correspondent banking. Say the bank A in Bangladesh needs to provide services in the USA to its customers and they have no any branch at a suitable location in the USA to serve or no branches at all. The bank A in Bangladesh enters into a bilateral relationship with the bank B in USA for providing services to the customers of bank A. In this case, the bank A in Bangladesh is respondent bank and the bank B in USA is correspondent bank. Again, say bank C in Bangladesh has no any bilateral relationship with the bank B in USA but needs to make a transaction in USA by bank B. Bank C then uses an account of bank A with the bank B to complete the transaction. This is called nested correspondent banking. Generally, correspondent bank provides services like currency exchange, handling business transactions, trade documentations, money transfers, etc. in exchange for a fee. Now we should know why do banks enter into a correspondent banking relationship. When a bank feels that they have to make the transactions in a foreign country, they analyze the cost and benefits. If they make a conclusion that establishing a bank branch is more beneficial than correspondent banking, they may establish a branch. Otherwise, they enter into a correspondent banking relationship. Now that you have a clear idea about correspondent banking, respondent banking and nested correspondent banking, let's see what are the Nostro, VOSTRO and LORO account. These terms originate from Latin. Some references say that these terms come from Italian. Whatever the origin doesn't matter for us, but we have to know the meaning of these terms. Nostro, VOSTRO and LORO account means our, your and their account respectively. A single bank account can be treated as Nostro, VOSTRO and LORO account. Question is that how? I would like to provide an example to make you clear. Say, the bank A in Bangladesh opens a current account in USD with the bank B in USA. In the perspective of the bank A in Bangladesh, this bank account will be treated as Nostro account. And in the perspective of bank B in USA, it will be treated as VOSTRO account. To understand LORO account, say the bank C in Bangladesh has no account with the bank B in USA. The bank C in Bangladesh uses the bank account of the bank A in Bangladesh, maintaining with the bank B in USA to make some transactions. In the perspective of the bank C in Bangladesh, it will be treated as LORO account. So we can say that an account which is Nostro for one bank is VOSTRO for another bank and LORO for a third bank as well. We can say again that Nostro, VOSTRO or LORO doesn't refer to separate bank accounts but rather the same account in separate perspective. No more today.